Good morning, traders. It's 2018, first market day of 2018. Got a couple stocks that are hot this morning. The fun part, the best part, I know people are gonna give me so much crap, and I already know the comments. I literally already know the comments are gonna be, they're gonna be talking about how I'm an idiot for using SureTrader still. But this morning, SureTrader having issues once again. I don't even know what to say anymore at this point. But you can see SureTrader's currently experiencing order rejection issues due to technical issues. So I don't know what's going to happen today. Definitely frustrating to say the least. And you know how I feel about day trading frustrated. So this is not how I wanted the first day trading video of 2018 to start out. But at the same time, I do not want to WATT. This morning, making a little bit of a bounce. We were watching this one in the live stream this morning above this 2240 area. You can see that resistance there, 2240. Having some troubles there. So Litecoin this morning making some big moves. I made a video a couple days ago during the holiday break talking about how I was looking to buy this around that $200 area. It got down there to $200 multiple times, and look at it now, above 260 this morning. The high there at 261. So awesome opportunity there. If you guys followed me in on this trade, if you did some research, if you saw the opportunity that I saw at the $200 area, looking for that move above 260, 250 area. Beautiful trades there on Litecoin this morning. So I was keeping an eye on MICT this morning up at that $2 area. You can see here, it got there to 192 pre-market. It's pulling back down there to 158 right now. If you look at the daily chart, you can see this resistance back there. This gap up there and that trouble there. 175 area resistance was there. And if you go back further, you can see that resistance coming up there at the 190 area. And then right after that, above that $2 area. So $2 resistance, mental resistance there, having trouble there on MICT. Just not having the power to go here. Got 2 million shares traded that first 1 minute candle there. Nice amount of volume there, but just not enough action to really get going there. Another hot stock this morning was BURG. BURG making a big move there. I don't think I can buy this thing, even if I tried. I try to buy over this break of $5 here. You can see BURG up there to 620, going for that break of $5 right here. So BURG up to that $5 area. You can see it bounced off this $4 area earlier pre-market, finding some support there. Now it opened, we went from 420 up there to $5. Looking like it's going to go through 5 here. It wants to go. There it is. Look at that. Right over $5 up there to 515. Nice little pop over that $5 area. We'll see if this one has the power to get moving here. We'll look for that move up there to the 520, 530 area. Getting a little bit extended here. You can see on the 1 minute chart. This is the 9 EMA down there at the 460 area. So BURG does not have the power right now to keep going. We might want to pull back down here to that 460 area. 400,000 shares traded, 400,000, 600,000 shares traded on this $5 break. So big spike in volume there. Volume increasing. That's a good sign. Here we go. Back above $5. Nice little pop right above 5, up there to 510 again. Gonna have a little bit of trouble here. Just that mental resistance there at $5. And gonna see if this thing's gonna explode here or not. So BURG not having the power to explode there. Might want to crash right here. We're going to see this 475 here. You can't hold. I think we're going to easy pullback down on that 450s. There are shares to short, which I can't do anything either way, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just basically sitting here looking at stocks go up and not able to actually do anything. A lot of shorts piling in there at the $5 area. BURG, a lot of shorts piling in there at the $5 area, trying to hold this down. We'll see if they're going to get squeezed here or not. So you got a lot of shorts that are going to be piling in there at that $5 area. They're going to be trying to pile in here to crash this back down. And that's what's happening right now. You see the tops of these candles, a lot of selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure on that candle, a lot of selling pressure there. Those big wicks, a lot of selling pressure. Really a lot of selling pressure in general on these wicks on the way up on these candles. So 475 not holding. There it is. Crashing down there. That 475 support was a key area to watch. You had that 9 EMA there. Down to that 20 EMA now. We're going to see if this is going to bounce here. Find some support there. So BURG pulling down to that 450 area. Finding some support there for now. This thing could easily still crash back down. You can see this thing jumped all the way up there to 620 pre-market. And now pulled all the way down there to $4. Had a little bit of a spike here at open. Once that volume filled in there. Trying to spike this up there. but the shorts all piling in there at $5. Easy short for these shorts to pile in there at the $5 area. That resistance there, that mental resistance. You have that whole dollar area is going to always be mental resistance. People are going to be scared to buy right at $5 because they're like, oh, this is going to pull back below $5 or it's going to jump above $5. So you always have that kind of issue there at those whole dollars. And that's kind of what we're getting right there. You're going to have the shorts piling in there. There are plenty of shares to short there. So that's going to be a big issue for this thing to keep exploding. And this thing can't hold 450. You can easily get back down on that $4 area. No problem, I think. And it looked like we're about to break through that 450 area. And there it is. So right through that 450, this thing's heading back down. I can't do anything. I can't buy. I can't sell. I've got things I need to work on. Videos I need to work on. I wish I could trade right now. I wish I could short this thing at some point. I could have shorted it earlier there, the 475 break. But can't do anything right now. My hands are tied. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it's just an omen that I should not be trading today. We'll see. It's the first day of 2018. I wanted to make a big trade. I wanted to make some money for you guys. But at the same time, I don't want to do something stupid and, try to enter a trade here, get stuck in a trade, can't sell, do something like that. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully Short Trader gets their stuff together. I don't know. I'm about to open an interactive brokers account. I'm pretty sure it's the next step I'm going to do here. I do like using the Short Trader account. I only need to put $5,000 in it and I can trade and not have any issues. Normally, I don't have any issues. I can trade, put $5,000 in it. I don't need to put $25,000 in it where I can, for cryptos and for other things, I need that capital. So let's say I can put $5,000 in a Short Trader and I can still trade, with a $25,000 account, pretty much with the margin. I can do that with Short Trader, where with the cryptos and stuff, I need cash. So if instead of having $25,000 just sitting in my broker account, I can use that cash to use for other things. I can buy, whatever I need to buy with the cryptocurrency or investing. And then I also have my TD Ameritrade account. My TD Ameritrade account is just mostly for swing trades and kind of long-term investing. But really, the reason that I use Short Trader is I don't need to have that capital requirement. I don't need to have $25,000 just sitting in that account so that I can day trade. I like to be able to use that money. I like to use it for cryptocurrencies. And the last couple of days, I can buy $25,000 worth of Litecoin and then earn a 10% return instead of having it just sitting there in my Short Trader account. People are going to hate me for it. People are going to say, oh, you're an idiot for using Short Trader because of this issue. But sometimes you got to think about the kind of dynamics of it. If I can have $25,000 cash for using for other things, for trading or for cryptocurrencies or investing, buying a house or whatever I'm currently working on investing wise, I can do that and I don't need to have my money tied up into my brokerage account. So I do like Short Trader for that reason. The fees, the commissions, the issues, yeah, they really aren't the best. They aren't fun. The fees, they add up. I have a pretty good fee structure. I'm paying $4.95 per 10,000 shares, so it's not as bad as most people have to pay, paying the 1 cent per share. But yeah, the fees definitely rack up. And like I said, I'm not a huge fan. Short Trader doesn't pay me to use them. There's no deals or anything like that, no kickbacks. The last thing I want to do is promote Short Trader and, confuse people and try to say, I want to be using Short Trader because it's so awesome. It's not like that at all. Like I said, I use Short Trader because I don't need to have $25,000 cash just sitting in a brokerage account. I have my other TD Ameritrade account with money in it, and then I have other things, but I can't day trade with TD Ameritrade just because it's just too slow. It's not easy to use. So I don't use TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim for day trading. It's more for swings. Look at that, BURG, back down to that $4 area. I said it in this video. I talked about it. How this thing could easily get back down to that $4 area, and there it goes, back down there. That 475 short would have been a beautiful area to short at. That VWAP was there, the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, all that support was there. Below 450, back down there to 410 now. So BURG working out. I would have, made 20, 30 cents on that one. A couple thousand shares would have been a nice little payday. But it is what it is. I got some things I got to do. It's first day of the year. I got to finish some videos up here, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Hopefully you're not too disappointed in the fact that I wasn't able to actually make any trades in this video. It's not my fault. It's Short Trader's fault. So I'll talk to you guys later on.